everybody, it's Elena. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a video called Slime Challenge. So if you're probably wondering what that is, I'm going to pick two slimes. What? Oh my god, I got two slimes. Okay, so I picked these two. This slime and this other slime called Amazing Slime XL Neon Bright, and this one is also just a really cool slime, but I haven't opened them yet, so it's kind of crazy. Okay, so basically how it works is I'm going to be opening each of these, and I'm going to be touching them and feeling them and telling you how it feels, and then at the end of the video you're going to tell me which one of these was your favorite and comment down below. Okay, so let's get started. First we're going to do this big Neon Bright slime. It's really nice pink. Open it, just whoa. It's like, it's so okay. This one, from 1 out of 10, I would give it probably a 6. Cause look, it's not so stretchy, cause you have to break it, but still really cool. So I'm just gonna put this one back. Pretty cool. Ugh. Here, this way. It sounds so funny. Okay, now we're gonna put this one to the side, and next one is this little small one. It's kind of, yeah, okay. So let's just open it. Okay, now just check this out. Oh my god. This is crazy. Look, it even came up swirled. It's crazy. It's like all watery. Like, yeah. Like crazy. From 1 out of 10, I'd give it 1,000 quadrillion billion million. This is my favorite slime ever. Ew. It's like so wobbly. Look. It's so crazy. Pretty stretchy, pretty wobbly, kadobbly. It's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back. Could be difficult. Wait. You can't put it back in. Okay. Do you hear that? It's like farts. Get in, you slime. There we go. And I actually wanted to include the part of putting it back in because I kind of knew that it would make this fart noise. So it's kind of fun. So I just wanted it to be in. It said, oi. Okay. Oh. Okay. Finally. Okay, so that was the end of this video. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and also comment down below if you like slime or if you don't, because slime. So, okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a like to this video, and ring the bell. Bye, guys. See you next time.